Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make Laba garlic using an easy method. First, you'll need fresh garlic cloves peeled and ready. Make sure your glass jar is perfectly clean and dry. You'll also need rice vinegar, a small amount of sugar, and just a pinch of salt. Having everything prepared beforehand makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Let's get started with the simple steps. Now let's prepare the garlic. Carefully peel about 200 grams of fresh garlic cloves, ensuring they are completely clean. You can trim the ends if needed. Gently place these peeled cloves into your sterilized glass jar. It's important not to pack them too tightly. Leave a little space at the top for the liquid and to allow for proper pickling. This step is crucial for even fermentation. Next, we'll create the pickling brine. In a small saucepan, combine about 250 milliliters of rice vinegar with 20 grams of sugar. Add just a tiny pinch of salt to this mixture. Gently heat the brine over low heat, stirring constantly until all the sugar has completely dissolved. Do not boil the mixture. We just want it warm enough to dissolve the sugar. This sweet and sour liquid is key to the unique flavor. Finally, let the brine cool completely before pouring it over the garlic cloves in the jar. Make sure the garlic is fully submerged in the liquid. Once filled, seal the jar tightly with its lid. Store your Laba garlic in a cool, dark place like a pantry for at least 2 weeks. The garlic will turn a beautiful emerald green. Remember to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade Laba garlic.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.